Lisa back with a new process video of cards that I made for the Hip Kit Club. So yeah, um, I hope you had wonderful Christmas days and spend a lot of time with your family and friends, even if you're not celebrating Christmas. I hope you had wonderful days. I am on Christmas vacation now, so I don't work, and I'm just it's so good to be at home doing what you want, not having to be so stressed because the last weeks at school were crazy. And that's why my videos are a lot. I'm so behind with my videos. So I will try in the next days to edit and upload as many videos as possible. So here's the first one, and yeah, I made cards for the Hip Kit Club, Christmas cards, using the November kits. And the November kits were full of exclusive Hip Kit Club products. So yeah, I thought the products were very, very, very cool. So yeah, first I'm using, oh sorry, I'm so, I'm sorry, my brother is calling. I'm a little bit out of, yeah, focus here. So the cut files that I used were designed by Kimberly. They are exclusive. Kimberly Watson. They are Kimberly Watson. What am I talking about? Kim Watson. So sorry. Okay. Focusing on my video. Sorry. They were designed by Kim Watson from the Hip Kit Club, and I used three of them to back and to create my cards. I backed them with some cardstock and also with some patterned papers. And the color scheme here, as you can see, is white, red, pink, and light blue. And I really love that color scheme for Christmas. I think it doesn't have to be green all the time. I just think that the red and pink together are so cute with the blue, and yeah, it's very, very cute. So I backed the cut files and then I created a card base, and for the bird I put some vellum on top of the patterned paper just to make it not so to have it not so red so that the cut file would stand out more. And then I didn't show, I hope you can see it a little bit. I stitched all around the cards with a zigzag stitch. And now I try to find the right embellishments to put on my cards. For this first card, I used they were like those white ephemera pieces or die cuts, and there were a lot of stars and snowflakes, which I thought were very cute with this card. And this card I gifted to a friend, which she invited us to her pre-Christmas party a few days before vacation started, and I gifted this card to her. And I don't really often gift my cards, or yeah, give my cards to anyone, so that was an honor, I think, for her. No, not really, but yeah. So okay, for the second card I used a lot of flowers, and I think that all the flowers surrounding this little penguin look very, very cute. And I'm also using this mistletoe ephemera piece on my three cards, as you will see later, which will create this common thing um, on the cards. And the colors are also like combining the cards and making them a trio where everything matches. But I think the mistletoe is also something that makes the card really belong together. And I love creating cards that look like they come from the same collection or set, or yeah, that they belong together. As you can see here, I'm using the third mistletoe ephemera, and I also used the wood veneer um, mistletoe pieces. And I think it looks very, very cool. Yeah, I had a little bit of trouble finding the right embellishments for this last card with the bird because I already used the snowflakes and stars. I used the flowers, which are almost every time the embellishments I choose to put around my little animals and stuff. So to find the right things to put on this card was a bit hard, but I'll find something. And if you don't know how to continue, just trim off the edges of something else. Yeah, then yeah, embellish some more the things you've already finished, and then something will come to you, like here. Yeah, I use those little, I don't know what they are, like glittery, sparkly things. And then I found the bubbles that I put, like they were hanging from this letter, and I thought that looked very cool. So I put those there, and yeah, I put the stars back, the sparkly things. Okay, so now I was looking for the titles, not the titles, the sentiments, and that was a hard one. I can tell you that was really. I was I cut the video a lot here. I was looking so hard to find the right place, the right placement, the right words and stuff. And even though we had like a lot of stuff we could put, it was really hard. So on the first one, I put Merry Christmas, and then here I was trying this word Christmas, and then I took it off again because too red, not standing out a lot, and I was struggling. So here I will put this magical holiday banner and then some letters, and yeah, I always struggle also to get those tiny letters straight. For the last one, yeah, that was the hardest one all the time. Like the whole time, this card was the hardest one. So yeah, I chose the Santa letters, and then I I wrote is coming with the stickers or alpha stickers, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, so I wrote Santa is coming. Okay, so and it's already done. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry for the lack of videos. I will try to make it up to you. Yeah, so have a happy new year and see you very soon.